If you're like most people, your home is a mess. You have piles of clothes on the floor, random books and magazines everywhere, and never enough storage space. These are 5 tips on how to deep clean your house. Number 1. Set aside 1 day a week to do all your laundry. Wash, dry, and put away all your clothes for the entire week. It's the only way to get through it in a timely manner. Cleaning your shoes can be done the same time you wash your laundry too. Number 2. Donate your items. Set it on your bed or in your closet, and when you come across something that doesn't fit or you haven't worn in over a year, put it in the box to donate to Goodwill or the Salvation Army. Don't even give yourself a chance to look at the items again. Once they are out of sight, they are out of mind. Number 3. Try using storage boxes as decorative pieces around your home rather than leaving them empty on the floor of your garage or basement. You can organize clutter or a pile of papers that is stuck in your drawer too. Number 4. Clean out your closet once a year. Get rid of anything that you haven't worn in the past year and donate it to charity. If you can't remember if you wore it, chances are you haven't worn it. Number 5. Use hangers with clips. This way, if you do need to hang something up that is too big for the closet rod, all you have to do is clip one end of the hanger onto the rod and then clip the other end onto another hanger so that both items hang together. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.